Welcome to the Career Paths for Skilled Immigrants language training course. This course is for accounting, marketing, and business management professionals. It aims to help you to find and maintain your target occupation and then to be promoted in the Canadian workplace. Your first step on joining the course is to read the Start Here How to Use This Language Training book. Open up the book and you will see the table of contents. The first page describes the purpose of this training, which is to raise your English language ability by one Canadian language benchmark level. Please read through all 8 pages of the book. Your first task is to contact me, Jason, your instructor. You can contact me through email, or you can also book a time with me here to meet on Zoom or on the phone. Just pick the date that you'd like and then select the time, and an invitation will be sent to you. So I hope to hear from you soon. And please start by reading the book in the course. Thank you. Enjoy the course.